Hi guys, this is Rahul and welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, we'll learn how to use image widgets of the Elementor plugin. So before using the image widget, make sure you should create a section like this. How many columns you want, how many rows you want. So first we are going to define two column section. One column, second column. First column we want some text to be there, so I'm going to bring the same text instead of creating again and again. As I brought the text in this area, in this section, I'll delete one of the column because it's told three columns. One I pulled from this one and 1, 2, 3, so I'll delete one column. Now you can see there like told two columns, one and this two. Now we want to learn the image widgets, so we'll pull out the image widgets and we'll drag and drop it wherever you want. Next step is to choose the image. So for choosing the image, go to choose image, and then if you want to upload it, click on go to upload files, select the files, and you're done. If you have already uploaded it, you'll find in the media library. So let's say I want to choose this image, and in this image I have already mentioned title as a normal, caption as yoga C, and description as yoga D, just to teach you some representation during the tutorial. So I'll click on insert media. Now you can see I inserted the media and the file size is there, so you can adjust the file size as a medium. And next option we have, there's a height option called minimum height. You can increase the height to make it beautiful according to your needs. Okay, now we'll click again on the image and we choose the medium size, and then there's an option called alignment. Alignment is for desktop, tablet and mobile. So you just choose one device and how you want to align it, you just need to choose it. Let's say for the desktop we want alignment to be in the right side, and when we are choosing mobiles, our alignment should be in the center. Same way you can choose for the tablets. Now we'll move for desktop, again back, and now I'll make it in the center because it's look better in the center area. Now there's a caption. As I already told you, I'm writing some captions just to teach you in the tutorial. So what are the caption you wrote, you can it will display automatically when you choose caption attachments. See, yoga C is there, and custom caption, you can write down some custom caption, yoga method, or anything you can write here if you have not written any captions on the images. If you want to link any of the link, you can choose from custom URL. Let's say I want the people to get redirected. Once they click on the image, they'll get redirected to this particular website, and there's a small setting icon there. You just need to click it. You just need to choose open in a new window. Once the people they click, this link is going to open as a new file or in a new window. And there's a next option called add no follow. If you are adding your own website link, then there's no need to add no follow. If you are adding any third party website link, then you should use no follow. So currently I'm going to make it none. Even you can link the media file. What the link for this particular image in your website, it will going to be linked, but I'll make it none. Next option we have style. So you can maintain the width for desktop, tablet and mobile similarly like that, the way we did earlier. And next option is maximum width. You can define, I don't want maximum width to cross 43. Let's say if I'll try to exceed also, it will not increase that value. So no matter what is the device you're using, it will not cross that value. At 48 it's like fixed. After that it start decreasing. Next we have height option. You can manage the height of the images. Next we have outfit. So you can manage these settings based on your devices. Inside the fit option, you can choose any of these options. Fill, it's going to fill the whole area, and then it's going to cover the area, and then it's a contain. You can even make it according to your devices. And next option we have is normal or hover. It's for the images. Let's say anyone hover it, I want it to get little bit of blur, so I'll click on hover and I'll say maintain the opacity of 1. And inside this normal and hover, we have an option of opacity and CSS filter. So whenever anyone hover over this particular image, it should show some opacity behavior. Let's say for normal, if no one is hovering, I'll keep it normal. Like you can maintain the opacity like this, like it's full appearing now. And whenever anyone hovers over the images, make it little bit of blur, like 50% dim blur it will go. Now let me hover over the image. You can see the light is fading a little bit, right? This is hover and the normal. And inside the hover, we have a transition duration, how long you want this to work. Okay, let me keep it to 3 seconds and I'll go hover it. And next option we have is transition duration. So you can increase the transition duration, how long that transition to take place, like hovering effect, opacity should work. Next option we have is transition duration, that is the time required to show opacity. So let me increase the transition duration, and if I hover over this, it's got dim after some time. Let me increase it a little more. I'll go and hover it again. See, it took a lot of time to show the transition. And next, whenever anyone hover over that image, it should pulse or shrink. Let's say it's pulsing, right? You can choose any of the transition effect. And next we have border. You can add a solid border over this, and let's say I want a solid border from each and every side. Increase it a little bit till 10. And then we have a border radius. See, you can see in this area it will be like little curve, that is border radius, right? It's looking good. And then we have a caption. We added a caption. That's why for decorating this caption we have alignment, how you want that caption to be get aligned in right, left, center, justified, everything you can choose from this area. And then you can choose a color of that particular caption, background color, topography you can choose, and then you can manage the spacing between them. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.